You know what Kunal and me were discussing is that, look, when a correction happens and when markets come back, there are different set of stocks which tend to lead or lag. So there is this very famous, old adage on Wall Street, which is that in stock markets, courses remain the same, but horses they change. And I think this is very aptly visible in the way this entire strong sector movement what Kunal has taken out. So Kunal, first, can you just break it for our viewers? What is the meaning of these bars?
Yeah, I think brilliantly started off, Nikunj. The way we look at it is that every correction leads to a change or shift in sector strength or sector dynamics. For example, what happened on the election day, the markets when they fell down, post that the PSU index, they started to get into an underperforming zone. Same thing has happened in this time around in the August correction. So what we've defined is three important change in sectors. One is the strong sectors, which are the sectors which are emerging as strong candidates of a potential turnaround, where the momentum has started. The price action is not moved in sync, but the momentum has started off. That we gauge by the changes in RSI. Here we can see that the banking index, the PSU banking index, and the financial services. These are the three pockets where there has been definite change of momentum, absolute change of momentum with respect to the Nifty. Then the second sector is the relatively or moderately weak sectors, and that gets into the ITs and the auto, where there has been a dramatic slowdown which has happened in terms of momentum.
Okay, so the point we are trying to essentially make here is that, look, post-election, when the market corrected, PSUs led the market rally.
Correct.
Autos were the leaders. But post this global correction, I think banks and financials are now getting ready. You may not see that in price appreciation, but our viewers may just have to recall perhaps that it is like saying that the plane is on the runway and it has started moving, and it is a matter of time. The law of physics would be at play. When momentum gets generated, they will soon start flying.
Correct.
Right?
So they are on the runway, the road is clear, the path is clear in front of them. It's just that they have to start picking up.
And monsoons are also getting over, so there is no problem of dark clouds here. So that's the point, Aisha, Anisha, Kunal is making a point that, folks, I'll say that line again, courses remain the same, but the horses change. So the course for the market is that it is headed higher, but the contribution this time will come from financials and some of the underperforming sectors. And, this entire financial plane now is on the runway and it is ready to take off.